Hello guys, today I'm teaching how to apply operators in MySQL. Then first open MySQL workbench, simply open it and log in, localhost root. Then first I will teach how to apply select arithmetic operator 30 plus 40 something and select this is output. Like change operators and see the answer. C10. This is arithmetic operator. Now I will teach bitwise operator and logical operator. Then first I will create one database. Create database new DB. Right. Select and database created. Then what can I do? Simply use new DB and select. See the database uses. Then create table employee. Right. Then first number is there. ID. Suppose ID I will take int 5. Then name is varchar take 50. Then address. Suppose 100. Right. Then close it and simply create this database. See what is this error? ID okay, because I don't give any data type, that's why I give a error. I will simply then run it and see the table is created. Now describe employee, simply I will select and why it gives error table new div employee does not exist. Sorry, I will give wrong spelling guys. EPM. Sorry. See ID name varchar. Right. Then I will insert into loy values. Right. Values, then ID1 name Ram Wadala. Simply close it and comma copy paste and simply pasting like this and something like I will change each ID and name also like Pritam, Ani, and what is Lakshman, Priyanka, Radha, Ajay, Sahil, Pratik, and suppose last name is Nilesh. Also address change, and top field, New Mumbai, Nerul, Belapur, and like this types change all the values. And Wasim, Mumbai, Delhi, Panvel, and last is GTB Nagar. Right, and simply inserted this all record in my table C. And simply I will show it how to check. Select star from EPM like this and check all the done. Then simply close it this. I am close it and directly I will use AND operator. Suppose select, suppose particular column I will print it. Suppose ID is there now in my, yes, ID is there. ID from table name, then only ID is printed. See ID 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then I also print name also. Then simply write name and select. See, address not found. Right, this particular column I will be printed. Then I will print all the column, but I have condition. Right, then what is the condition? Where ID, where ID is greater than equal to 5, and what is the like this, ID is greater, and like name is starting with R. Right, then select and simply run. What is the error? Wait. Suppose this I will use first this, then this print 5 6 7 8 9 10, because I was take greater than and equal to 5. That's why I printed 5 to 10 all the records. If I will erase equal, then what is this come? See, select all the this statement and see. Right, this is how to apply comparison operators. Then second is come logical, where id in I will take 1 2 3 एंड मतलब ये मेरे को सिर्फ ये 3 चाहिए आईडी और कुछ नहीं. देन सिंपली सिलेक्ट इन ऑपरेटर यूज करो इधर. सी ओनली दिस 3 रिकॉर्ड. हाँ. देन सेकंड कैसा हम लोग क्या आएगा अभी. लाइक अभी इसके बाद हमारा आता है अपना सपोज लाइक ऑपरेटर. हाउ टू यूज लाइक ऑपरेटर. हाँ. फिर मैं उसके लिए क्या करूँगा. वेयर सिंपली लाइक वेयर. हाँ. सपोज आईडी is greater than 5, right? Suppose greater than equal to 5 and name like and use r and percentage and close it and see only Radha is because Radha ID 6 because I was take only greater than equal to ID 5. Huh? And then name is started with R. That's why take these types. If I will be check name end with like suppose M. Huh? Then I was type first percentage and then M. This is so एंड मतलब लास्ट में हमारा एम आएगा. हाँ. तो वैसा कितना रिकॉर्ड है हमारे पास. 2 है. एक राम एक प्रीतम है. राइट. एंड देन आता हमारा इसके बाद विच ऑपरेटर्स और सपोज और है तो और में सब आ जाएगा. लाइक कोई ट्रू मतलब बोथ कंडीशन ट्रू नहीं रहेगा फिर भी वो सिलेक्ट हो जाएगा. इसमें दोनों कंडीशन ट्रू होना चाहिए. तो सपोज इसमें 1 to 5 भी आएगा एंड सब आएगा. देखो कि उसको आईडी तो चाहिए 1 to 5 उसने ले लिया लेकिन उसको एम भी चाहिए तो एम उसने एम को भी लेना पड़ा. हाँ. इफ मैं चेक कर रहा हूँ कुछ लाइक हमारा सपोज कैसे बिटवीन सपोज आई वाज टेक बिटवीन. हाँ. ID between 4 and 8. Right. Then see 4 to 8 इसके बीच के सारे रिकॉर्ड हमारे पास आ गए. मतलब एक रेंज देता बिटवीन. हाँ. एंड देन और 2-3 ऑपरेटर्स है. जब वो मैं कब सिखाऊँ जब हम लोग फॉरेन की मतलब रिलेशन डेटाबेस क्रिएट करें उसमें हम लोग सीखेंगे. जो 3-4 ऑपरेटर्स हैं लॉजिकल के एंड कंपाउंड ऑपरेटर्स सिखा चुका हूँ एंड कंपेरिजन भी हो गया हमारा. जब हम लेस देन इक्वल टू वो सब कंपेरिजन था एंड बिटवाइज भी हो गया एंड और एंड एक्सक्लूसिव. राइट. That's end of the lecture and thank you. And guys, please like and subscribe on my channel and follow my Instagram channel also. Thanks a lot.